Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to make practice about data types. Last session, we have learned about data types and their use, also storing the text in the string. Now, we are going to check all these data types, which are integer and floating point. I will create a class for data types. Giving name as data types practice. Clicking on main methods checkbox. Now let's store a number by using Byte data type. I am giving name as data1. -98, then close the code with semicolon. As you can see, byte numbers range is from -128 to 127. Since 98 is in the range, my variable is valid. If I print this data, I will see -98 on the console. Now let's store another number with integer. I am giving name as data2. I need to pick a number between these range. Integers range is pretty wide, so that's why it is commonly used storing numbers. Let's say 65 and print it. Now I see both byte and integer numbers on the console. Now let's write a number using short. Writing data3. I am picking a number between shorts range. Let's say -25,000. Then print this one too. Now I see the numbers that I stored as a byte, an integer, and a short. Now let's check what happens if we are not in the range. When I added 0 to make the number -25,000, I see red underlined because -25,000 is not in the shorts range. It also gave me error when I tried to run it. Before moving on long, I want to show double first, because we store numbers in long and float slightly different. Using double, we store decimal numbers, so I am writing any decimal number. It can go up to 15 digits. It is also successfully printed on the console. Now moving on the float, it stores 6 to 7 decimal digits. One exception about float data type. After writing a number, the number is supposed to end with lowercase f. If we store a number using float, let's write 45.89. Trying to end with my code with semicolon like others. But it is giving me error. So, if you store a float number, don't forget to write lowercase f at the end of the number. And another exception is for long. Long is supposed to end with capital L. I am writing very big number in here. As you can see, it is giving me error, because we need to write capital L at the end of the number. Now let's print all the numbers. All numbers have been printed successfully. Next session, we are going to delve into the arithmetic operator in Java. We are going to use Java as a calculator. I think it's one of the fun part of Java. Thanks for watching.